During the summer, day temperatures are likely to go above normal in north, northeast, parts of east and west India, the Indian Meteorological Department said Monday in its summer forecast for March to May. But it has forecast a likelihood of below normal temperatures in Kerala, other southern states, and the adjoining central India, reports PTI. During the upcoming hot weather season from March to May, above normal seasonal maximum, temperatures are likely over most of the subdivisions of north, northwest, and northeast India. Few subdivisions from eastern and western parts of central India and few coastal subdivisions of North Peninsular India, the forecast said. There is a probability forecast for above maximum temperatures in Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Gujarat, coastal Maharashtra, Goa and coastal Andhra Pradesh. IMD Director General Mrutyunjay Mohapatra said over the Indo-Gangetic Plains from Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, East UP, West UP, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand to Odisha. The temperature is expected to be above normal by more than 0.5 degrees Celsius during March to May. There is a high probability with more than 75% of above normal temperature over Chhattisgarh and Odisha, where mercury will be above normal. He said in these two states, temperature is likely to be above normal by 0.86 degrees Celsius and 0.66 degrees Celsius respectively. There is also a 60% probability of above normal temperature over Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi by 0.5 degrees Celsius, he said. There is likely to be some relief in parts of South India. Below normal seasonal maximum temperatures are likely over most of the subdivisions of South Peninsula and adjoining central India, the summer forecast added. It said above normal seasonal minimum night temperatures are likely over most of North India, along the foothills of Himalayas, Northeast India, western part of central India and southern part of peninsular India. However, below normal season, minimum temperatures are likely over most of the subdivisions of eastern part of the central India and few subdivisions of extreme northern part of the country, the IMD added. The IMD added that moderate La Nina conditions are prevailing over the equatorial Pacific and sea surface temperatures are below normal over the central and the eastern equatorial Pacific Ocean. The latest model forecast indicates that La Nina conditions are likely to sustain during the upcoming hot weather season, it added. La Nina is associated with the cooling of the specific waters and El Nino is its antithesis. The phenomenon has an impact on the weather of the Indian subcontinent. The IMD said it will release a second summer forecast for April to June in April. News Desk, Kaumudy English.